Welcome everyone. So till now you get familiarized with the Arduino and know what's Arduino, and now we will start our journey with the Arduino programming, and for that we need to download Arduino IDE. So for that, go to Google and type Arduino IDE and go to www.arduino.cc/en/main/software, and from here download it for the platform you are using. Here is for Mac, Linux and Windows, and I'm using Windows, so I will download it for Windows. And from here save it wherever you want to, and I prefer desktop, and I have already downloaded it, so this one is for you. I will not download it, and here's the downloaded one. Click on it to install, and here from I agree, and choose the things you want to install. And for using Arduino IDE, please install every of these, so you will not get any problem in future. It just requires 474.5 MB of space, and from here choose directory, and I prefer you to choose the default one. After that click install, and it will start installing the program, which takes just a few minutes. You can also skip the video till it's installing. Now after installing the Arduino IDE, go to Windows and type here Arduino, and you will get this Arduino IDE. Click on this, or if you want to pin it to the taskbar, then right click and pin it to taskbar. So this is your Arduino IDE. From here you can see, so this is the main interface Arduino IDE, in which it's divided into 4 parts, that is upper top bar and middle operating part, then your editor, and this one is compiling part, which detects errors and show your progress of installing Sketch in your Arduino. So about every of this you will study in further videos, so this video is just about installing the Arduino IDE. Thank you for watching.